Okay, so we're going to see the hole in the wall. Hey Cindy.
Hi,
Oh
Graham.
wow, what do I hear? The yuppie.
Oh, can't talk.
Subaru.
Going down. Yeah, we're going down to
Yeah,
the
okay.
beach. Okay.
It's a Subi. And Cindy likes that car's engine because her son had one.
Oh, Subaru. What's
Yeah.
Subaru?
Subi.
Subaru. It was in a Toyota limited edition.
I know.
It was a beautiful car.
I know.
There were only 89 in the whole of South Africa. Let me give you more. But he sold it since then, and then he got a Mustang. Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. Well guys, join us as we go down Thompson Bay and we see the tidal pool, and then we're going to go and see the hole in the wall. Welcome and come and have a look. Okay, so I've got to watch the steps here as well, because they're unusual, sort of meter long, well about 1.5 meters. Quite difficult to get into a rhythm here and video. Chatting to these guys as they walk past, and they said we must be careful because it's all slippery by the hole in the wall. As Cindy and I are going down the boardwalk here, it was nice and smooth and kind of inclined to go downhill, so we were almost running. It was quite a good jog. But yes, we had fun.
This is a nice boardwalk. This is
And Thompson Bay coming up, looking beautiful. Even
beautiful here. Look at this.
bathers out here.
Oh wow.
Look at this.
This is a beautiful place to swim. Look up, there's hardly any waves there.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
And I like the tidal pool there as well.
Oh wow, look how beautiful
This
this
is
is.
very nice. This bay is like a hidden gem. I'm so glad we found it. A pretty place.
Look, here comes a
So this
plane.
is Thompson.
Yeah, here comes a plane over.
This is very nice.
Oh, this must be nice with goggles on. Look at these ones down here.
I don't know, I can't see what I'm doing here. I'm
Oh,
just
look
kind
at
of
these
following.
beautiful fish.
If I see them, I see them. If I don't, I don't. Anyway, like little tigers here. What?
Wow. Gorgeous.
No, I can't even see him. Glad to see if we could get some footing of the fish down here. The sun was giving me a hard time with the camera, and all the time I tried, the sun would reflect straight in. So I managed to get a low spot. Just try and get him somewhere.
Oh wow, look at his purple eyes. They actually shine purple.
Hey, Cindy, where are you? So when the tide is high, it comes in here, and this is at least 10 foot, about 3 meters higher than we then stand, and it actually floods here. You can see it's wet here. Amazing. Look where the sea is now. Over there. See, that's about 5-6 meters lower. Unbelievable. okay? Gotta watch Cindy because she doesn't like to stop and looking at. How are you going to get up there? Use the steps.
Oh, look at this crab. There's a crab.
There we go. You use them like steps.
Crabs here, look.
I'm coming. Climb up all the steps here.
Oh, he's gone in.
Oh, I can see him. I can see him.
Where?
He's in the hole there.
Oh, okay. If you go close.
He's over there.
Oh, he's coming out of it.
Okay, so we're on the other side now of this rock enclosure here where the brick and the hole in the wall is over there. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Just take a slow pan around. Cindy over there, there's a bit of sea over there, there's a bit of rock outcrop and a whole lot of waves happening in the background. Very pretty. And Cindy up ahead, always running away. So you're going to go up there. Right, wait for them to come down. Yeah, it's over there, eh? Okay, so you're going to climb up these stairs.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can do this with the camera.
That's the hole.
Got to watch all the holes. At least they got tape on wherever it is.
Fix the stairs here. They should fix the stairs.
At least it's safer than climbing through the bush. A missing step here. Let's just see, that's okay. That's okay. And Cindy got to the top. Okay, so we're scaling the whole thing from here.
Wow.
Then over there is the hole in the wall, as you can see from here. Over there, so the beach here, the fishermen are playing nicely. And we're on some slippery, slimy stuff here, I mustn't fall. The edge is right here. There. The trees out here. Looking out Cape Town way. Beautiful. Awesome. Cindy.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm scared of heights and I'm high.
Ah.
This is high. Show them how high it is.
I was known as a tourist coastal mountain guide. So here we can't go down this set of steps here. Let me turn it this way because my shadow might show. From here right down to over there. These are all broken through the steps here. So yeah, maybe take a slide down here, but I don't think so. We go around the same way we came in. Okay, so this is at Thompson Beach, near the hole in the wall, and we're just having a look over there. We see, oh, there's Cindy up there. What you doing here, Cindy? Oh wow, is it nice? I'm coming there. I'm coming. Gonna be there now. I'm nearly there.
Okay.
Just gonna climb up a couple of more here. Hello.
Oh, can you see the sea now?
Yeah.
It's beautiful here. It's the
lovely.
hole in the wall.
Oh yeah, the hole in the wall. And all the fishermen and everybody here.
Beautiful.
So you're enjoying this?
And we climbed up there and I'm scared of heights.
Wow,
Look
yeah,
here.
we did, eh?
I was at the top.
There, on top there.
Very
Cool.
proud of Cindy.
Me too, I'm very proud. Oh, the hole in the wall
I'll show
over
it to you
there.
afterwards when we close.
Yeah, we're scaling and doing all this type of thing. We think we're pioneers in the mountains here. We can just go anywhere. Look at all these rocks, how they're formations with the currents and things of the sea. In old days, it's just worn this all out here. It's amazing, crazy. And there's a different type of stone there. It's black. Different. Oh, she's running away from me. No, Cindy, there's no glass here. I don't think you're going to find glass here. And we got the rock clinger. You okay there, babes? Maybe you should give me that wood so I can throw it away. There, Cindy's taking a rest. The rest of the path. That's where you came down. That's how you came down. Do you want me to go before you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go before.
Back to the hole in the wall.
Okay. Wow.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Pretty. How's this thing? It is very high, maybe 12 meters high. Look how they grow. Amazing. Hi guys, so it looks like we've come to the end of the video, and with that I'd like to say thank you very much for watching, and why don't you just like it, share, comment, subscribe. That'll be awesome. Remember, videos are always out on a Sunday at 1700 South African time. That's 5 o'clock Sunday night. Waiting to see you there from Cindy and Graham. Bye.